This is Jackie from techjackie.com and welcome to another video on SEO. And today I'm going to show you an easy way to get free authoritative backlinks to skyrocket your SEO rankings. Okay, if you haven't heard about this technique yet, there's an easy way where you can simply sign up for a website and become a source for a journalist, and in return you get a backlink. Now there's a website called as helpareporter.com or HARO, which is basically a site which lets you sign up whether you're a journalist or a source. And the source basically someone who gives an information to what the journalists are looking for, right? Just like a normal PR web, but this is kind of like free service, right? So with this method I was able to generate a couple of authoritative backlinks, right, from big sites like, let's say, um, there's this site which I got featured recently, CEO Block Nation, right? And this is my backlinks to the website, and this is a do follow backlinks as well. Let me show you that. But it's not every time that you'll get do follow backlinks, right? Because getting sites, as you can see here, getting featured on news or publishing websites, sometimes you get no follow links as well. But either of the way, you still get that kind of trust and authority which Google is looking for. Through this method you can get featured on big sites like New York Times, Inc.com, right? Blogspot, all those, any of the authoritative websites out there, so yeah, first of all, just go ahead and enter helpareporter.com and go ahead and sign up as a source, right? If you haven't done, just go ahead and sign up for this, and just read how it works, right? And it is very simple. Just go ahead and fill in your information, and once you're done, right, just go ahead and log in to your dashboard, right, and it will ask you to select which kind of industry you're in. And this particular method, right, works for every niche out there. Let me show you that as well, right? Whether you're in, let's say, B2B or B2C market, it works for every niche out there. Let me show you in my dashboard so you can have a better idea. Just a minute. All right, so once you have signed up, right, you get something like this. Like, you gotta fill in the account details, right? And here where you can select the niches which you are interested in receiving the information. Now how this works is basically, once you have set this up, right, and just go ahead and update your information, and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, right, you get an email notification, something like this. This is my inbox. You get email notification something like this, from HARO, right, where you get questions from different niches and different websites looking for an answers, and your job is to basically provide the best answers out there, so they can select you and feature you on their websites. Like, as you can see here, there's a healthcare niche, right? Business and finance, education, energy, entertainment and media general, and high tech lifestyle. Basically, all kind of niches out there, right? So whether you're a local business or a national business, you can utilize this method and use your expertise to get featured on the big sites like this. These are the list of questions, right? And just go ahead and open, and you can read the query, right, what the publisher is looking for. Here also in the media outlet, right, where the publisher has come from, something like that. And you can simply go ahead and reply to the email like this, right, and answer the questions, and just, and after that, you get a chance to um, track your progress here where it says your pitch, right? My pitch is here. So here, these are some of the pitches which I made, right? And also there's a status here out as well. The majority of them will not update the status, but among all these I also got featured in some of them, right? But they didn't update the status, but that doesn't matter. You can always check that through your backlinks tool, right, which kind of look at your backlinks profile and see if you have got any build backlinks, or some of the publishers will just simply email you and thank you for your contribution, something like that. And this is a great way and very effective way to get free authoritative backlinks, right? And I hope you utilize this method, and just pitch as many as you can, and ultimately you get featured. At least a couple of 2 or 3 authoritative backlinks are just enough, right, to kind of boost your SEO rankings. And that's all for the videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.